Alright, so a few new shots of the GoPro Max to have surfaced online. Big shout out to Igor Bogdanov for dropping them. Seriously, there's quite a bit to break down here. Let's kick things off with that first picture. The Max 2 is getting blasted with a serious stream of water. Looks like it's coming from a truck. Not a sprinkle. I mean full force spray. GoPro's clearly making a statement. This thing is waterproof. No housing needed. I'd guess at least 10 meters, maybe more. Now take a look at the grip in these images. It appears way more comfortable and ergonomic than the usual mounts. This might be an upgraded invisible selfie stick, or something even cooler, like a handle with a battery inside, or maybe a combo tripod grip built for extreme use. Whatever it is, it looks serious. That second image, pretty wild. The background is blurred in a circular swirl, which only happens when the camera or the stick it's on is spinning fast. Could be a sign of enhanced stabilization or maybe a tease of 360 hypermerit capture. Either way, it screams action, speed, and motion, and Max 2 looks made for it. Now the third image is super interesting. Someone's walking a high ropes course. It's fully geared up with a helmet and harness. They've got one GoPro on the helmet and the Max 2 in hand. What's that tell us? This isn't replacing your main cam. It's meant to add a new angle. Think behind the scenes, environmental shots, or bonus perspectives. And yep, that textured grip shows up again, probably part of a new accessory line. So what's making the Max so exciting? Let's be honest. The 2025 refresh of the first Max was kind of a letdown. It's pretty much a slightly polished version of the 2019 release. But this, it's a whole new story. Biggest change, centered lenses. That's huge for 360 footage. It helps eliminate stitching issues and makes the invisible selfie stick trick even more seamless. And where the old Max topped out at 5.6K, which feels outdated, the Max 2 looks ready to deliver 8K video. Maybe with higher frame rates too. And here's something even more exciting. GoPro themselves hinted at replaceable lenses in a recent post. That's not just speculation. It's official. Big upgrade. No need to worry about scratches anymore. Just swap the lens and keep rolling. Plus, this new design looks like it runs cooler too. You can actually see vents up front and maybe a peek at the internals. That's a great sign, especially after DJI's Osmo 360 managed 8K at 30 FPS for over 90 minutes without heating up. If GoPro can match or beat that massive win. So yeah, even though these are just leaks, the story they tell is clear. The Max 2 isn't just another 360 cam. It's being built for people who want more than just standard shots. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed the breakdown, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more insider updates, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.